So I'm Davide and I run an organization of coaching and personal development. And I met Adam personally, on Skype, a few weeks ago, and we're both coaches, so he suggested I should attend this workshop. And what did I get out of it? A few really cool frameworks. I'm kind of process oriented, and I find it really easy to follow a framework. So they actually have this book that has more than 300 pages of frameworks and strategic, challenging questions. So if you're into that, then this kind of workshop and the tools that they offer is for you.
And what's the most value you've got from today?
Well, one of the processes, one of the frameworks that they have is called Review Preview. And basically at the end of the week, you review what you did and make a preview of what you want to do next week. And you do that every week. And again, that you have a nice table that helps you do it. And the good thing with it is that one of my problems is that I procrastinate important things. And if you do that weekly and the same thing appears every week, then that gives you like a clear alarm on what you're procrastinating. And that hopefully will help me not do that.